Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to switch servers on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC and you should get to this Mecha Break launcher. And then from here, simply find this option next to the start game here and select it. And then from here, you should choose the server that you prefer. So there's currently Europe, Asia Pacific, North America, South America, and China. So choose the server that you prefer. So if let's say it's Europe, you can select that. And then all you have to do is select confirm, and that will update the server on Mecha Break. So that's basically it on how to change the server on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.